In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website Zoho sites. By the end, you'll have a clean professional site up and running using Zoho's intuitive builder. Let's get started. First, head to the Zoho sites homepage. This is where everything begins. On the landing page, look for the option to create a new website and click it. This opens the setup flow and guides you through the essentials so you can get building right away. You'll be asked to select a category for your site. Pick the one that best matches your purpose, like business, portfolio, or personal. This helps Zoho suggest layouts and features that fit your needs, saving you time later. Next, enter your website name. Keep it short, memorable, and aligned with your brand. You can always map a custom domain later, but starting with a clear name will help keep things consistent across your pages. Now choose a template. Browse through the options and look for a structure that already resembles what you want. Think about the number of sections, how the home page is laid out, and how the menu feels. A template that's close to your vision means fewer edits down the road. After selecting the template, click Customize. This moves you into the style setup where you can put your branding front and center. Start by choosing a color set. Pick a palette that complements your logo and imagery. Aim for good contrast so text remains readable, especially on buttons and banners. Then select your fonts. Prioritize legibility and consistency. One font for headings and one for body text often works best. Make sure the fonts you choose look good on both desktop and mobile. Choose your header and banner style next. This sets the tone of your site's first impression. If you plan to use a hero image or a call to action, pick a header layout that allows your message and button to stand out clearly. When you're happy with the initial styling, click Finish. Zoho will generate your site using the template and styles you selected. You'll land on the dashboard. Click the pencil icon to open the editor. This is where you'll fine-tune content. Replace placeholder text with your own copy, swap images, update links, and adjust sections to reflect your brand voice and goals. Keep your headings clear, your paragraphs concise, and your buttons action-oriented. As you edit, glance at the mobile preview to ensure everything looks great on smaller screens. When your changes are ready, click Publish. Your site goes live and you can return to the editor anytime to update and republish as your content evolves. That's it, your website is now up on Zoho sites.